Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Game theory problems are tricky when costs change. Let's find the new Nash equilibrium and total profit for these firms in 3 steps.
First, we adjust the payoff matrix by subtracting $200 from any firm that chooses to advertise. This change reflects the higher prices set by the advertising agency for everyone.
Next, we identify the new Nash equilibrium by checking each firm's best response to their competitor. Both firms still find that not advertising yields the highest possible profit for the group. Finally, we sum the individual profits of $800 each. This gives a total profit of $1,600, making option E correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Always trust given values and check steps carefully.